Now, this is a question regarding the animal kingdom. Okay. So, consider the following statements. First statement they have given us, many primates are arboreal animals. Second statement, insects are found in all kinds of habitats. Then third, amphibians undergo only terrestrial life. Then fourth, amphibians are most sensitive to environmental changes. So, these are the four statements they have given with regards to animal kingdom. Okay. Now, let us discuss some points regarding that question. So, the mammals that are characterized especially by advanced development of binocular vision, resulting in stereoscopic depth perception, specialization of the hands, the feet for grasping, okay, and enlargement of their cerebral hemisphere. These kinds of animals, mammals, is known as primates, right? And they will include humans, apes, monkeys, and related forms also, such as the lemurs and tarsiers. Okay, so these are the primates, right? So these kinds of primates, they are arboreal. Arboreal means those living organisms which is lying on or which is living on trees, right, like the monkeys. Okay, so many primates are arboreal animals. You can see that apes, monkeys, okay, lemurs, all these are related to trees. Okay, that's why they are arboreal animals. Okay, so the many primates are arboreal. Regarding these insects, insects are found in all kinds of habitats. Okay, we know that insects which comes under the arthropoda category. Insects are the winged arthropods. Okay, arthropods, we know that they are the animals, they are the organisms which is having segmented bodies and jointed legs. Okay, that is arthropods. And insects which comes under the arthropoda category. So insects are the winged arthropods, right? So insects are found in all kinds of habitat. Even in waters, even in air, we can see these insects. Okay, so insects live in just about every habitat on earth, from the sands of hot desert to cold snowy mountain streams. Okay, and most insects live on land. In fact, about 97% are living on the land. Many insects spend all of their life on land, such as bees, caterpillars, but some insects live in fresh water also. These dragonflies begin life in water, such as rivers, lakes and ponds, but then they take into the air as adults. Okay, so that's why we can say that insects are found in all kinds of habitats. And some other insects like the diving beetle, they will spend most of their time in the water, but they must return repeatedly to surface of the water to breathe the air. Now regarding the amphibians, you know that they are adapted to both the terrestrial and aquatic life. Okay, so amphibians are cold-blooded vertebrates. We know about vertebrates, right? Vertebrates means the animals which is having vertebral column, right? So amphibians are cold-blooded vertebrates, and these amphibians, they are having scales on their body. So these amphibians, for example, you can see the frogs are the best example of these amphibians. And these frogs, or we can say that amphibians, they live part of their life in the water and part on the land. So the examples of these amphibians are frogs, toads, salamanders, newts and caecilians. So these kinds of words, amphibians are in crisis, because we know that nowadays water pollution is increasing, right? So that's why frogs are decreasing in a faster rate. Okay. Now the several species of these amphibians have become extinct in the last 20 years, and the cause of this disastrous situation is due to the human population growth and the destructive ecological footprint. So their natural habitats are cleared, because we know that the natural habitat of these amphibians, they are living on both lands and water also, wetlands, right? So wetlands are cleared, okay, forests are cleared. Because of this, frogs or amphibians are in danger. Okay, and as well as they are also affected due to the climate change. So due to the practices in agriculture and in industrial practices also, this habitat of amphibians, they are getting polluted. Okay, and also this climate change alters their natural environments. So these amphibians, they have been used by ecologists in order to study the environmental changes, because we can consider it as a indicator species. Okay, so the characteristics of these amphibians that make them useful models for studying these environmental problems are their trophic importance, then their environmental sensitivity, then expanding extension, etc. Okay, now coming to the question again. Many primates are arboreal animals. Now you know the answer. That's the correct statement. Because many primates means primates are apes, monkeys, right? So most of these primates are arboreal animals, which means they are living on the trees. So first statement is correct. So we eliminated B. Then second, insects are found in all kinds of habitat. That also we discussed. It is found in the hot regions, it is found in the land, it is found in the water, right? And also it is found in the snowy regions. So second statement is also correct. So we eliminated A. Then third statement, amphibians undergo only terrestrial life. That's a wrong statement. The specialty of amphibians is they can undergo both terrestrial and aquatic life. So that's why third statement is wrong. So we got the answer as C, 1, 2 and 4. So third statement is wrong and fourth statement is correct. So just go through the fourth statement. Amphibians are the most sensitive to environmental change. Of course, that's also correct statement because we know that frogs or amphibians are decreasing at a faster rate due to the environmental changes, due to the climate change, due to pollution, right? So fourth statement is also correct. So here the answer is C. Only 1, 2 and fourth statements are correct. Third statement is wrong.